Hi. Okay, I know you're mad. I know you're mad. Please. Shh, 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 shh. Quiet, buddy. Yeah. Shh. Okay, I know you want your bottle. Hey guys, so she's been asleep for like 2 hours, so I can see why she's kind of fussy, but that's no reason to be this mad at mommy. Okay. You better now? So you want to be held? I have a 1 ounce bottle because I knew she'd be really fussy. So I prepared it for her. Come on, you see the bottle. Yeah. You see the bottle. Okay. So yeah, guys. She'll drink this up really fast, and then we'll give her a diaper change. We'll see. I don't want her to start crying once we've finished feeding her this, but I feel like she will because it's such a tiny bottle, and even though she's a preemie, she still likes to eat. See, there's nothing left. Oh, no, dang it. So she's definitely hungry. It's definitely what it is. Okay, what do you want? I don't have any more. Ah, yes. My old breast milk bottle. Shh. Okay, guys. We're gonna make her bottle really fast. Okay, I'm coming. Sweetie, sweet. I'm really gonna have to calm down now. There we go. You calming down? Yeah, she sees the bottle. She knows it's full again. Okay, you're okay. You're okay. Shh, shh. I think she's full, guys. I think she's just a bit fussy, so I'm gonna keep giving it to her. But I know she's gonna throw up on me. That's the sad part about it. Can I take it? Are you better now? Thank you. Okay, guys, actually, let me take it. I'm gonna give her her pacifier. And I'm going to carry her over. Oh, don't spit it out, bud. I'm gonna give her her favorite pacifier because, you know, they want whatever they want whenever they wake up because they're so pussy. Micah's just over here sleeping, but he's in Skylar's stroller, so he looks like a girl. Hi, Micah. Hey, you gotta wake up. We're about to go to our cookout. We're having a cookout on Sunday, but hey, sweetie, you gotta wake up. Come on. He's the only one going with me, though, because it's so much work to bring all the babies. I might bring Olivia, too, but, Sophie's still sick. Oh, my gosh. Blowout on my bed. Dang it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, so...
Go wash those cups that you still didn't wash from 2 hours ago. Right now.
Guys, I'm back. Sorry, that was kind of weird. My mom just barging in like that. I had to do the dishes. I packed a baby bag for Micah. I know I have a girl baby bag for a boy. But I am working on getting a new one. He did just get here today, if you didn't just see my video. So, like, literally, this is all the stuff I have for him. There's a few things in that purple one, but it's not a lot. Anyways, I need the wipes out of here. I might do a what's in my baby bag video pretty soon, just to let you guys know. And just so she doesn't start crying again, we're gonna put her passy in. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. If I was this diaper, I would want to explode too. Ew. Okay, guys. Let's get started. And you can see where I put baby powder on her the other day, which I'm about to wipe off. And I do not have right now because she had a few explosions in the middle of the night that I had to clean up, and I ran out of baby powder, so just gonna have to make do with what's due. And it's literally in her arm. I don't even know how she did that. Hey, sweetie. Okay. So that's a diaper that's gone. So now we're just gonna get those and put that in your mouth, sweet. Yeah. We're gonna push it down, pull that up, over, down. And now I'm gonna go get her dress so she can be really pretty looking. Grab this little flower dress. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but I hope you can. Okay, done there. She spat out her passy, luckily. She didn't start crying. I'll just give it to her. There you go. Flatten down her little dress. Roll this up with the wipe inside I used. And throw that out. Yes, I got it. Okay guys, so that's the end of this reborn changing video, and I guess the title will be from a changing video to a explosion video, because I did not expect that explosion. Okay guys, bye. Please subscribe and like this video.